Hello kids, let's fix this. A for apple, B for ball, C for cup, D for dog, E for elephant, F, F for fish, G, G for grapes, H, H for hen, I for ice cream, J, J for jug, K, K for kite, L, L for lion, M, M for mango, N, N for nest, O, O for owl, P, P for parrot, Q, Q for queen, R, R for rabbit, S, S for sun, T, T for tiger, U, U for umbrella, V, V for van, W, W for watch, X, X for xylophone, Y, Y for yacht, Z, Z for zebra,